Hola mis amigos, ¿cómo estás? Today I'm sharing with you Mexican-style rice and beans recipe that I think you will love. This dish is healthy, tasty, and made with basic ingredients easily available in the kitchen. Let's go ahead and make this delicious recipe. You can enjoy this dish with avocado, Greek yogurt, or sour cream. So that's it for today. I hope you like this recipe. If you do, then please like, share, and subscribe. Gracias. Hasta luego. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you very soon with a new video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.